Hey Wish Influencers, Josh here. I just want to do a quick video instead of an email, change it up a little bit. It's the day after we closed out the amazing 8-week campaign that you all worked so hard on, and all I can say is wow. Wow, seriously. $52,000 were raised for Make-A-Wish of New Hampshire, and it was just an incredible experience just getting to know you all, watching your creativity throughout the whole experience, your effort, your enthusiasm. We just blew it out of the water for the organization this year. If you remember, our original goal was $25,000, which seems like a joke now. It's almost comical. Halfway through, we raised it to 40, and we actually ended up at 52. We broke all group, team, individual fundraising records, and for the first time, we actually got international donations too, which is pretty cool. So you guys have an amazing network. Thank you for reaching out to raise money to help kids in our state. It's going to go to a great use, I promise you, to grant some amazing wishes to some kids and families that need it, that really need it. So on behalf of the board of directors and the Make-A-Wish staff, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll just leave you with a little bit of homework. I promise you I'll stop bugging you with all these emails. Mark your calendars. You'll get a calendar invite from me. August 18th is our Breakfast of Wishes, and we want you there. Not only you, but think of someone else who you want to participate in this program next year for the influencers of 2022. It's never too early to start planning. Bring them to that event, and we want to double this thing next year and do 100,000. So thanks again, Josh with Make-A-Wish, and appreciate all your efforts.